welcome back. This is Leena. So today I'm going to show you a really good face pack which I'll be making out of flax seeds. This will really whiten your skin and brighten your skin. So this is going to be very simple with a very few ingredients. So we'll be needing flax seeds and you have to grind it into a fine powder like this. And we'll need besan, some honey and some rose water. So now I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. So we'll take about 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. This is the flaxseed powder into a bowl. So half a teaspoon of besan. To this I'll be adding honey. Few drops of honey. And now we'll add rose water to this. So now we'll mix all these ingredients together. And now you have to apply it on your face. So I'll tell you about flax seeds. Flax seeds have vitamin A, B and C plus amino acids which will really lighten your skin. And your skin will look really nice and bright. So now we'll just apply it. So guys, I have applied this on my face. I will wait for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash my face. So it's almost 10 minutes now. I'm going to wash my face and come back. So guys, I've washed my face and my skin has become one shade lighter. Like I can actually see the results. It's really good. So y'all should definitely try this and let me know if it helped you or if you have any tips. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. Please follow me and like this video guys. Thanks so much for watching.